In this video, we're going to go over the communicate questions on page 133. Question number 1, draw a bar graph to show the effect of increasing the number of coils around the nail. Use the results from the actual number of staples picked up column in your table. So you're going to use the information from the work on it activity on 131 to answer this. So your graph should show that the number of staples that were picked up increased as the coils increased as well. Okay, 2, what happened when the number of coils was increased? Why do you think this happened? So as stated in your answer in question number 1, you should include that the number of staples increased as the number of coils increased, because more coils increased the magnetic field of the electromagnet, so it was able to attract more staples. Okay, question number 3. Compare your results from step 7 and 8 using 40 coils around the pencil or plastic marker with the result for 40 coils around the iron nail shown in your table. Which material did you find picked up the most staples? Which material makes the strongest electromagnet? Now, with our experiment, we only did the 20 wraps, and it definitely is apparent that the iron nail was made for a much better material for an electromagnet. Now, in our experiment, the pencil or plastic marker failed to do anything for the electromagnet. Now, it would have been interesting to have been able to use different wire and had done 40 wraps. It would have, the pencil looked like it showed some characteristics of an electromagnet, but with our 20 coils, we couldn't get any results. So it'd be interesting to do further study. Question number 4, using your answers to the first 3 questions, describe the characteristics that will change the strength of an electromagnet. So based on our experiment, the main body material that we used made a definite difference. So our nail was a very good conductor, and it helped create a much stronger electromagnet. And we also saw that by wrapping around the nail more, helped create a much larger electromagnetic field. Question number 5, draw the circuit diagram for your electromagnet experiment. Your diagram should look something similar to this. Question number 6, describe a situation where you think an electromagnet would make a job easier. So I'm hoping you guys were able to come up with a variety of devices. The one I always think of is the electromagnetic magnet that's used in junkyards to pick up metal, scrap, or even something as big as a car. Some of you might come up with something like a speaker system on a stereo, or a speaker in an earbud, or in a phone. Those are very common electromagnets.